Yep, it's got to be fixed. They're always in a hurry. Most of all, they want it done in a hurry, but really most of all, it's got to be done cheap. Yep, dents and scratches. Oh yeah, tail light knocked out. Show you where you're not quite done. Need to bring those up. Just take you whatever you can get. Massage that back out while it's hot. If it cools off and stays there, we'll be in good shape. Let's go ahead and do them all that way. That'll work. Check it again. Gotta do it in the X pattern. Yeah, walked right out. That's the way it's done. Just get it in the low spots. Get on tight. That way you use your glass for a guide coat. Only need it in your low spots anyway. Look pretty good. Just lightly block that down now. Put a skin coated body filler. Have it perfect. You spend more time getting your metal straight, all good and straight. Then you don't take the skim coat of this glass just in your low spots, and they're very fine. Just block that off a little. A real thin coat of just regular body filler, really skim coat, block it off. Then you've got just thin body work. That'll last for years longer. Don't have to worry about nothing falling out like back in the old days. Works a lot better. Block it down. But nowadays, I've gotten to where I like using the glass. Some form of glass, fiberglass fill, just in the dips, low spots, then just skim coating the body filler. I think it works better. That ought to do it. Just take it down to where you start seeing a little bit of metal. You don't have to keep it thin. But there show you I need a little bit more filler. Regular body filler to take care of that. Yeah, that's all you need. Skim coat a little filler over it now. Keep it thin. See what I mean about the thin coat? That's paper thin. Paper thin. That'll do it. See what I mean? That's just paper thin. Didn't do much more than just fill in my sanding marks. That works real good. Easy. Lasts for years. That's better than some people I've seen will prime it time and again, just layer after layer, and then block it. Which I'd rather have some of this fill in a low spot than I would primer. Primer can crack too if you get it too thick. I think this will hold out a lot longer. Use a whole lot less primer this way too. That'll work. Yep, it's all blocked out, ready to prime. Just a light blocking is all it took. It was easy. Yep, got the 2K primer on. Ready to block. Speckle some guide coat on. Yeah, let's get at it. I got me soft pad. Soft on one side, hard on the other. Some sticky 180. I'm gonna use that to block with. And you better use one of these things. You don't want that stuff up your nose. I'm gonna go ahead and use the soft side first. Maybe all of it. When you block, you want to do X pattern best you can. You have to blow it off. Clog up pretty good sometimes. Now you can see where you still need some sanding. Just keep blocking until everything's nice and smooth. You'll get it good and straight. Hell, that'll do it with the 180. Just go with some 400 wet now. Yeah, sandpaper's still good. Go ahead and use it here too. Yeah, you gotta find your body line first. There it is. A real pretty one too. Yeah, sometimes you can take some tape. Help you keep that line a little bit straighter. You just sand to it. I done this one the same way. Blocked it down to 180. Went back, went sanded it down to 400. Only had to prime it one time. Seems like it works okay for these everyday drivers. Looks good. Less primer. Let's build up a body filler you get. Just gonna make it last longer. You want to try to keep all your material thin. You don't want a thick layer over metal. This will hold up a whole lot better than layer after layer of 2K primer. You can get it right the first time. Of course, it may not be show car quality, but it works fine for these everyday drivers. There's not much left there to shrink. Worked good. Let me make sure you got this right. When I said I only primed it once, I mean I put 4 coats of primer on it, fairly wet. Let it dry overnight. Then I blocked it down 180. Then wet sand down to 400. But it's had 4 coats of primer, but I only had to prime it once, is what I mean by that. Well, that's not exactly by the book, if you read your materials, but if you've done something 43 years, you can make your own rules sometimes. As long as it works.